Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, nandito ako sa Circle, Quezon City. So lahat, iba-ibang klase ng mga martial art na natuturo dito mga kaibigan. Mayroong boxing, tsaka mayroon ding kickboxing dito sa kabila.
My name is Ferdinand Pisa from Western Australia, but I'm the president of the Philippine Haidong Gomdo Incorporated. This new martial arts in the Philippines, we have member right now is about 50 people, but now at the same time we have a headquarters at Masinag, Tikatlon, and then we just came from South Korea last night for the instructor training. And then yung mga nahilig sa weapon like itong Haidong Gomdo, ito ay isa sa pinaka bagong martial arts sa buong mundo na very booming ngayon worldwide. Then kung kayo mag-join sa amin, we have headquarters at Tikatlon. Salvi, one of my instructor, he was from Masinag. Ito yung isa kong instructor dito sa Tikatlon sa Masinag. So, Salvi, you're the head instructor in Masinag, right? And then, one in the Region 6. As the headmaster in Region 6. And I have also from Tugigarao, Brother Danny. Yeah.
Region 2.
Yeah. And then, inaano namin kayo, na in-encourage namin kayo, ang weapon, hindi ito laruan. Very, very secret martial arts ito, pero kailangan, ang discipline nito, hindi yung itutulak mo ng ganyan, itatapon mo ng ganyan. Kaya we have proper holding, palagi nandito. Naka-point down yung dulo, saka nandito palagi. Hindi yung pwede kayong magdala ng ganyan, pwede kayong magdala ng ganyan. Bawal ito eh, bawal. Kasi this is illegal. For real weapon, this is bladed weapon. Pero pagka nag-ano kayo during the practice, ito yung ginagamit. Meron tayong tinatawag na sword. Ito practice sword. We have bladed sword for cutting paper. And this one for practice session, we have metal sword. Imitation, we have the real sword. It costs a lot. Also for the 2000, I think for the real one is you buy for $2,000. Everything's dollars because there's no one producing the weapon for Haidong Gomdo in the Philippines. We order all the time in Korea. By the way, this is Haidong Gomdo is originated from South Korea, and then we found this one here. We bring it here in the Philippines for last 2015 until now. Now approximately we have 50 students right now, but later on, because after pandemic, we have problem. We stopped our operation in the Philippines. Now I'm back again to propagate the sports. So thank you so much.